Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Vernice Lim. Today I'm going to show you a freehold condominium at Shah Section 16, Ken Rimba 1. This freehold condominium is 1,120 square feet, 3 room, 2 bath, and come with 2 car parks. Here is the facility floor. Have swimming pool, kids playground, now let's proceed to the unit. It's at low floor, comes with grills, double door entrance, spacious living area, here's how the balcony view looks like. It's facing north, windy, small bedroom, small bedroom number 2. The view is the same for all the bedrooms. Here's the master bedroom, the ensuite shower, both showers comes with water heater. Here's the kitchen area, comes with kitchen cabinet, yard for you to place your laundry, washing machine and dryer. The layout is simple and practical. Here's the lobby area where you collect your parcels and your letterbox. For viewing or listing, please call 016-989-3389. See you in next video. Bye!